Hello students, welcome to the BYJU'S Exam Prep. Now important notification for you. Registration for Ccmt 2022 started. Okay. Now I am going to give you the idea about the important dates, registration process and list of NIT colleges. Now let me know that sound quality, picture quality, everything is fine. Yes please. First of all inform me that sound quality, picture quality, everything is fine. Yes. Okay then, let's check. Okay, now everything is fine. Now this is the CCMT, Centralized Counselling for MTech, MR, right, and Architecture, that is the admission. Now in this session I will give you the list of the colleges, important dates, right, and what about the registration process. Now this is my introduction, myself Sanjay Rathi, and this is my teaching experience, and I have qualified and selected for engineering services exam. Now CCMT, some students are very new, that already they have given the GATE 2022 and that is the first time. Now for those students, CCMT 2022 is a common platform for candidates to apply for MTech, MArch, MPlan programs, right, based on their GATE score of year 2020, 2021 and 2022. That is important. 3 years GATE score card is valid, right? Please note this point. And that is for all NITs, IIEST, Sibpur and some triple ITs and GFTIS, right? If you are interested for these, then that is for you. Okay. Now what is this? It will provide a common platform for online counseling, right, and you have to register for it. Now participating institute of CCMT, this is important information, and then I will give you the idea about the registration process. Okay. Now this is the first institute, that is the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology, that is the NIT Jalandhar, then NIT Jaipur, NIT Bhopal, then NIT Allahabad, NIT Agartala, NIT Calicut, NIT Delhi, NIT Durgapur, these are the colleges. Then NIT Goa, NIT Hamirpur, NIT Surathkal, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Patna, Puducherry, NIT Raipur, NIT Sikkim. These are the important colleges, right. Now another NIT Arunachal Pradesh, Jamshedpur, Kurukshetra, Manipur, Raurkela, then NIT Silchar, Srinagar, Tiruchirappalli, Warangal, then this is NIT Surat, NIT Nagpur, NIT Uttarakhand, NIT Mizoram, Andhra Pradesh, then that is Atal Bihari Vajpayee Indian Institute of Information Technology and Management, Gwalior. Yes, you can apply for this also. And then Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kanchipuram, Chennai. So these are the colleges. Now this is the Dwarka Prasad Misra Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Jabalpur, right, that is the triple IT. And then triple IT Vadodara, International Institute of Information Technology, Bhubaneswar, then triple IT Lucknow, triple IT Pune, and then triple IT Kurnool, then triple IT Ranchi Hatia, that is, and Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology. These are the list of the colleges. Next, School of Planning and Architecture, Vijayawada, that is for architecture. Then Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, Sibpur, that is district, Havda. Central University of Rajasthan, that is Ajmer. Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Aurangabad. School of Planning and Architecture, Bhopal. These are the colleges. Then Sri Mata Vaishnav Devi University, Katra. Central Institute of Technology, Kokrajhar, and University of Hyderabad, that is on at Hyderabad. Now this is the NIT National Institute of Technical Teacher Training and Research, Chandigarh. Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee International Institute of Information Technology, Naya Raipur. You can apply for this. After that I will give you the registration process. If you have any doubts, then you can comments me, and that let me know that sound quality, picture quality, everything is fine, everyone. Okay, then Central University of Punjab, then Indian Institute of Information Technology, Tiruchirappalli. These are the colleges. Now, what about the procedure? Okay, then so first of all, go through the website, that is the ccmt.admissions.nic.in, right? Then on first page you will get the idea about this. Please click here, online registration, fee payment and choice filling. Okay, and then what are the important dates and what about the information brochure, everything I will give you the idea. First of all, click this. Now that is the registered candidate sign in. If you are already registered, then that is the page for you, and for new candidates please click here and then go through this page. Now fill your detail here, candidate's name, GATE registration ID, GATE exam year. This is valid for last 3 years, that is the 2020, 2021, 2022. Okay, and then that is important criteria. You have to fill what GATE score here. Valid GATE score from 2020, 2021 or 2022, right? So please fill the highest GATE score here. And then what about the marks out of 100 in that particular year? It may be 2020, it may be 2021 or it may be 2022. Okay, if you already appeared in 2020, 2021 and 2022, then fill maximum GATE score here. And then what about the GATE marks out of 100? Okay, then fill the form, right? Be careful, fill each and every data carefully. And what about the dates then? My dear students, what are the important dates? That is that 23rd May is the starting date. Registration already started. Now the last date is on 12th June 2022. So please don't wait for what last date. Okay, and then important date for, that is the last date for resolution of issue related to fee payment, because we have to pay the fee. If suppose there is some issue, then we can resolve those issue up to what, 13th June 2022. So some students are worried about the fee, some are getting the problem in what payment options and so on. Then we can resolve up to what, 13th June 2022. Last date of online choice filling and locking of the choices by the candidate, that is on Monday 13th June 2022. Now I will give you the idea about 3 rounds, right? And then what, special rounds, 2 special rounds, 3 first rounds, then after that 2 special rounds. And I will give you the idea about the flow chart. Okay, then that is the automatic locking of the saved choice, that is on Monday 13th June 2022. Now first of all, what about the important dates? You have to fill the online registration up to what, 12th June. After that, these all dates are important, right? For round 1, round 2, round 3, and then for what, special rounds. Now here you can click for what, information brochure. Please download this information brochure, go through each and every point carefully, right? Go through the eligibility criteria, okay, because this is very, very important. Now what about the information brochure? This is the important information. First of all, click this, then you will get the idea about fee structure, right? That is important for number of students. That is the registration fee. That is, please read this point carefully. Non-refundable fee to be deposited for participating in CCMT. Okay, that is 3,000 for general candidate student and 2,500 for SC and ST student. Then after that, this is the seat acceptance fee, right? But first of all, up to 12th June, you have to pay only what, 3,000. That is for after round 1, round 2 and round 3, you have to pay the seat acceptance fee. After that, partial admission fee, fee to be deposited by the candidate when he or she accepts the seat allotted to her or him. This is the part of institute fee and will be later adjusted against the finally allotted institute's admission fee. That is 30,000 for general candidate and 10,000 for SC, ST and PWD. Okay, that is the physically weak candidates. Okay, then partial admission fee, again you have to pay 10,000 and then what, 5,000 rupees, and that is what, in a third stage. First registration fees up to 12 June, then seat acceptance fee, then what? Partial admission fees. And what is SR registration fees? That is the special round registration fee. Okay, so that is a non-refundable fee to be deposited for the registration in special rounds for CCMT. Further, if you want to go for what? Special rounds, then you have to again register for special round. Again you have to fee the 3,000 and then what? 2,500 payment. That is the option for SC and ST category, right? And then SR participation fees. If suppose already you have paid fees for, that is seat acceptance fee here and partial admission fee here, then no need to pay that is a special round participation fee. And suppose you have paid only seat acceptance fee, then in special round participation fee you have to pay partial admission fee. Okay, that is clear. So this is about the fee, right? So up to 12th June you have to bother about this registration fee only, 3,000. Then after that we will again arrange a special session for that round 1, round 2 and what? Round 3. Now what about the registration process? The counseling process for regular rounds, right? That will start after what? 13 June. Already I have given you the idea about the important dates. Okay, that is the schedule. Last date for online registration, then the last date of online choice filling and locking of the choice, right? That is on 13 June. Announcement of round 1 seat allotment, that is on 16th June 2022. And please watch your mail on regular basis, right? And your phone calls also. Okay, so that is important. Now these are the important dates. Now I am giving you the idea about the flow chart. What are the process round 1 and round 2 and round 3. Now this is the flow chart for regular rounds. Okay, in round 1, if you have any doubts then you can post your doubts here, right? Flow chart for regular rounds. First of all, what is the procedure here? First, online registration. Already I have mentioned what is the procedure for online registration. Then what? Fee payment. Then online choice filling as per the schedule. Online choice locking as per the schedule. Automatic choice locking. If suppose we are not doing the locking procedure, then automatically it will lock. Okay, then after that we can't change. And after filling the choice you have to save the information, otherwise it will not save your choice, right? It is important, you have to save your choice. Then first round seat allotment as per the schedule. If seat is allotted, right, there will be the two options, yes or no. If seat is allotted, then what will happen? You have to pay the seat allotment fees. After that you have to pay. Once after round 1, if the seat is allotted to you, then you have to pay the seat allotment fee. Okay, then upload the required documents for online document verification. That is the second step. Okay, so don't worry about the online document verification in first case, in registration procedure. That is not required. Once the seat is allotted, they will ask for upload documents, required documents. You have to upload the required documents. I will give you the list of that required documents. And then specify the willingness, right? Then again we have the 3 choice. You can freeze that. Yes, I want that particular seat, allotted seat. Then you can freeze, you can slide, or next you can go for what? Next round. Then second one, online document verification as per the schedule, right? They will verify your documents. That is verified by what? Participating institute. Then if suppose there is some discrepancy or they want some extra documents, they will inform you on your mobile phone or by mail. First by mail and then second by what? On your mobile phone. And that's why regularly watch your mail. Okay, and then if they ask some extra documents, then again you have to upload the documents. This is very, very important in every round, round 1, round 2, round 3, the procedure will remain same. Okay, then upload the documents, and then what if it is again verified, then you have to show willingness or what, withdrawal. Willingness means yes, I am interested, or freeze, or what, you have the choice, slide. So there are the three choice: freeze, slide or surrender. I am not interested in that particular seat. Now I want to go for what, next round. If suppose at that time your withdrawal, I am not interested, means you are not interested in what, complete counseling procedure, centralized counseling, then finally you have no other options. So please be careful. Willingness means you can freeze, you can slide, right, and or you can what, surrender that. Okay, if you once you withdraw, means what, simply all the procedure is stopped for you here. Now this is the, if you are freeze, slide or surrender, after that, so means what is the procedure after round 1? If the seat is allotted to you, then that is the procedure. Document verification, then option, it will be given online, willingness, you have to show your willingness, and then you will go for what, next round, right. If this seat is freeze here, then there is another procedure. You have to go for what, allotted institute, and again they will ask for what, next fee. Already I have mentioned that. Okay, the next step. Then if suppose document is not verified, suppose that you have given that document, you are not eligible for that particular seat, right. Suppose you are filling the form from electronics and you are allotted for what, electrical branch and so on, but after the document verification, if that is not verified, then again you can go for what, next round. Okay, and if you are not satisfying the eligibility criteria, then your procedure will stop here. Remember that. If you are not satisfying the eligibility criteria, then your procedure will stop here. So be careful about your documents. Okay, if it is satisfied, then you can go for what, next round. So what is the procedure? That is the case. This is the first case. Now second, once you enter into the second round, same procedure. They will give you the seat allotment. Yes, in second round, if the seat is allotted to you, then again document verified, or if in a first round, if it is already verified, right, freeze, slide or what, surrender options used by you, then in next time they will not verify your documents. If it is first time, then they will verify your documents. This is the, you have to pay the seat acceptance fee, upload the required documents for that. If it is not verified in first step, then okay, not verified in first step, then you have to same procedure. Then online document verification as per the schedule. Status of online document verification, again they will ask for updation, and then finally if it is verified, again you have the choice, willingness or withdrawal. Once you will withdraw, procedure will stop. If it is freeze, then you have to go for the admission in a particular institute. If you are giving the choice, float, slide or surrender, then you will be eligible for what, next round. Now once again in second round, if your document is verified and if you are not eligible, then your procedure will stop here. Okay, always remember that. That is about the second round. And if in first round, if your documents already verified, then they will not ask for this. They will not ask for what, seat, that is the seat acceptance fees, or minimum first required documents, right. Already this procedure is over in first round for you, then in second round it is not required. Directly you have the choice, willingness or what, withdrawal. Okay, then in third round, again same procedure. If it is allotted in third round, again if it is already document verified in first round or in second round, then no need, directly. Now you in this case you have to finally, because it is a third round, you have to choose particular seat. If suppose you don't want that particular, then simply we have the choice what, withdrawal. Then ready for what, special round. After that there will be a special round. So that is the seat allotted, institute change after the verification, previous rounds, yes. आपने क्या किया है, प्रीवियस राउंड में कोई सीट चेंज की है, देन यू हैव टू फिल दैट फॉर्म. ऑनलाइन डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन अगेन, राइट, status of the online documentation. If it is verified, it is okay. If it is not verified, then the process is finished here. You have no other options. So that is in what? Third round. Okay, and that in third round the phrase slide or surrender option is not available for you, right? So that is the case. Now what is the special round? So please go through this flow chart. I will upload the PDF on my Telegram channel, that is Electronics by Sanjay Rathi, right? And we are going to take important sessions for branch mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, where we will give you the preference of which institutes are better for you, and according to your gate score, you are eligible for which institute. We will give you the idea on separate sessions. So that is about the registration process. Okay, but first of all, up to 12 June, register yourself on that site, and then after that go through this flow chart. And now my dear friends, once the round 1, round 2, round 3 is over, then it is the flow chart for what? Special round. In a special round, the same procedure, right? But once you have shown the withdrawal, again the procedure will stop for you. Once you have freezed the seat, then again the procedure will stop for you. And in special round, you have only 2 rounds, 2 stages. In first round, if you are simply giving the choice that float, slide or what, surrender, right? Float, slide and surrender, you have the choice, or this is the freeze. So float, slide and surrender, then you have the second choice here. Okay. Final round, that is called special round, you have no choice of what? Float, slide and surrender. Remember that. I think in the previous I used what? That freeze. You have the 3 choice: float, slide and what? Surrender, and 4th choice is what? Freeze. Once you have freeze, you have to take the admission. So that is the procedure in final round. Okay, so that is all about what CCMT. Already I have given you the list of the colleges, right? And these are the list of the colleges and so on. Already I have given you the idea about the special dates. Then, so this is all about the CCMT 2022. For more detail, stay tuned with us. Like our session, subscribe our channel. Thank you for attending the session. Thank you and good night.